This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Terry McGinn. Better than new. This 4-halves Dr. Horton built home has a great open concept split floor plan west/high ceilings. This impeccable home features beautiful upgraded tile in the main space and amp carpet in the bedrooms. The kitchen has stainless appliances, a generous walk-in pantry, counter bar and amp, opens to a large family room and amp, dining area overlooking the covered porch with fenced-in yard. Perfect for entertaining. The master bedroom has a double vanity, rain shower walk-in shower and amp, large walk-in closet. Sellers have relocated due to a job transfer, so this is your opportunity to get into an almost brand new home, while taking advantage of the absolute lowest interest rates. Situated on a quiet street yet close to the Florida Turnpike, making it perfect for commuting. No HOA. Quick closing possible. For more information, review the details below.